Good morning, everyone. My name is Brad Newman. This is my presentation team, Brandon Dodd, Beck Palmer, and Charles Sanford. And today we're going to talk about the valuable topic of teamwork. This picture before you is just an example of what Microsoft professionals thought that teamwork was. As the first thing that came up when you searched for teamwork, and a little picture at the end, PowerPoint. So, know the pros. Before we start a little presentation outline to give the content of what we're going to talk about today, introduction, a little bit of background, group dynamics, organizational patterns and strategies, group evolution, teams and teamwork characteristics, misconceptions, learning in teams, and then we're going to close out with a summary and a conclusion. Okay, first and foremost, teamwork is a very valuable asset used in any engineering field. It's before any chemical goes in the process lines, before any process flow diagram is presented, we use teamwork to get as a means to accomplish goals and complete projects. First, breaking down a team, it's basically a subset of a group, first and foremost, and to elaborate on that, a group definition is a collection of people working together to accomplish a common goal or project. And the key behind that is group equals people, and people are diverse and very different, which in turn offers a very diverse and different approach to when you attack projects, which can be helpful. The key there is, the trick is getting all those different diverse approaches to work together and to come out with to maximize effectiveness. And when that is when effectiveness is maximized, that is called synergy. To elaborate a bit on synergy, and I'm going to go over now some organizational behaviors and strategies, or just some basic characteristics of teams and teamwork, what that is. Some good and some bad. First, I'll start with the bad. Friction in group work is always, of course, bad, and here's a list of some of the things that are normally at the root of the friction in the groups. More often than not, you'll find that more of these things don't happen on various separate occasions. They're usually tied in together. Friction usually begins with a bad vibe with one group member, and then can spread to and bring the whole group down. Some of the good behaviors and strategies. First is leadership. Every group needs a specific leader or a sense of leadership to conduct the group as kind of a guide in situations and pull them through problem solving. Next, member selection. Of course, it's not always is available. As you can be assigned group members, but also obviously companies like to select their members like a very high-tech process in selecting their employees. And it's always important that you select the right member for the job or the task at hand to bring out his best potential, his or her best potential. Next, roles and responsibilities. This goes hand in hand with member selection and assigning tasks. Their roles they need to know their role, and their role needs to be the best role for them so they can bring out their best potential and benefit the group best. And lastly, groupthink. Groupthink is just another word for brainstorming. When all else fails in group dynamics, the group can come together and brainstorm and solve a problem. Next, Rebecca's going to talk about group dynamics.
I'm going to